Hi, Brisa here, your dedicated Striven advisor. I'm going to show you how to kick off all of your projects and keep all of the information in one centralized area so that you and your team can track the progress of your project and share all of that information with your customers as you'd like. Once you're in your system, you can click on the projects list. This will take you to the project page, which will show any previous projects, and you'll also be able to add new projects as you'd like. This is what you'll see when you go into a new project, and you can insert any of this information that's needed. From here, you'll be able to copy the template so that you can begin your project. You can fill out this information with these drop-down boxes. And then also, if the assignments and you're working with the same crew over and over again for those residential projects, you can also attach those assignments. But if you're choosing a new crew dependent on that project, you can just unclick this button and then create the project from there. This will bring you into a new screen that will have the project already in the system. Once this is complete, you have three viewing options: a milestone view, a project board, and a Gantt chart. One of the things that I love and that I've seen a lot of our users love within the construction industry is our Kanban chart. This will allow you to drag and drop all of this information into whichever stage that you are within your process of the project. Here, once you click the eye icon for the information, you'll also be able to incorporate budget dollars, budget hours, notes, and any internal notes that you'd like to share with your team. Another thing that you'll see here is that David Jones is a project manager that's associated, and he'll be able to also incorporate any information into the project as needed. This will give you any extra milestones that you think that you may need. Let's say you want to have permitting as a milestone and all of the different tasks that are associated with those, and then assign them to your employees as needed. This will give you labels as to what you would want to make sure that these tasks are labeled as. Let's say land. You want to make sure that they've acquired the land, you have the correct permitting, and that it has been confirmed and established. So then you can say that this is either paid, drag and drop, and then you can put as many labels as you would like. This next area will be able to help you keep track of your project and those tasks. And let's say one thing is a little bit delayed, you can also move these and change the dates of all of these different tasks so that you're doing it instantaneously instead of having to go into each task and change it manually. This icon will bring you to a hub where you'll be able to store any type of documents, photos, links that you'd like to share with your team about the project, or with your customers throughout the process of the build. This icon will show different discussions. If you would like to keep all of your communication compartmentalized within the project, whether it's with your employees, subcontractors, or customers, you can make this discussion thread and have everyone communicate in one centralized area so that you can reference all of the information at once. The last icon here will also show you any purchase orders and sales orders that are assigned with this project. This will be great for throughout your estimating time and also throughout the project if there are any new expenses that you would like to add to their invoice to send to the customer. Those are all of the functions of the icons to the left. To the right, if you would like to add any steps within your process, you can just go here, customize board, and you can add any type of steps that you would like either in the open stage or in the done stage as complete. Maybe you would like to have a paid tab so that you would want to see every area that the project is paid so that you can reference it as needed. The last thing I'd like to show you are the task itself. These can be assigned to whoever on your team is going to handle that task, the description of those, and any additional customizations that you would like within this box, whether it's a checklist, an audit log, so that you can see who completed those tasks, or a drop box as to which equipment or permitting or whatever you may need can also be incorporated within the task list. I hope this helped, and if you have any further questions, please let me know. I look forward to working with you in your continued search of a new software.